See, the problem, guys, is right here. It's this dust. That's not pollen. That's leaf dust. That's not our friend. It's like a film. Look at that. Basically, what you have to do is go around and look for all this debris. Holy crap, what is this?
Hey there, how you doing?
Whoa, hello.
Hey buddy, I'm looking for a ride. I see you got a car. Can I
man.
get a ride?
Listen, I'm good actually, I'm
Come
good.
on, man, just let me get a ride. Let me get in the car. Come
Sir, you're kind of freaking me out actually.
on, let me get in the car.
Sir,
Give me a
please,
ride,
don't touch my car, please.
I'm gonna piggyback ride. Give me a piggyback ride. Come on.
I'm
a piggyback
good.
ride. Just one question. Just
All
one
right,
question.
sure.
Do you like tricks or do you like treats?
I like treats.
You like treats? Well, let me treat you to a trick.
Oh, son of a. Who the hell was that? You guys see that?
You can do a couple miles.
Well, do you like tricks or do you like treats?
What the?
Get shit off of me, man.